A comfortable bedroom is essential to help you get a good night's sleep. However, some of you might then wonder what the criteria of a comfortable room is. Should it always be a spacious one? Well, here we will show you that big space is not everything. Although your bedroom is not spacious, it will still allow you to have such a comfortable sleeping environment. Thus, we have made a list of 10 small sleeping space solutions to assist you in dealing with this problem. As always, SimpHome presents you with the list, and without further ado, let's start the countdown. 10. Build a drawer bed. Building a drawer bed will probably work for your limited space bedroom. It will help you hide the bed when you're not using it, allowing you to have ample space for your mobility. Moreover, applying this idea will allow you to create a specific area to support your daily activities, such as working or studying. You can head down to your local hardware store to build your drawer bed to get your materials. Ensure to check whether there are any items you will need for further modifications. For example, if you are constructing a drawer bed for your bedroom, then make sure to get the right materials such as drawer slides. To complement this small space idea, it's also important that you consider building a simple nightstand on which you can place your phone and lamp. 9. A bed desk innovation idea. A bed-desk combo is not merely a solution for your spaceless room. In fact, having furniture that combines the bed and desk seems to be one of the best offers during this pandemic era, since people are mostly doing this WFH, work from home thing. You only need to build a rectangular-like block. Use the top side as the desk while the sleeping area is below. Besides less space needed, this idea will help you maintain your health since it will provide you easy access to take a rest between your tight schedule. The complicated issue will depend on the size you're working with and whether the project is intended for your kids' room or otherwise. It can be a good idea for your master bedroom. 8. Purchase or invest yourself in a new sofa bed. Purchasing a piece of multi-purpose furniture is another instant way to save your space. Today, there are many inventions in this field. It's like a never-ending offer. A sofa bed might be one of the most recommended. It has two functions, namely as a sofa and a bed. You can use it as a comfortable seat during the day and a cozy sleeping area when night comes. These days, most sofa beds offer an elegant and straightforward design. It doesn't look bulky, although the bed hides inside of it. Anyway, don't worry about the price because it comes in various designs to meet your budget and need. Moreover, many marketplaces offer seasonal discounts. So besides the price and quality, you better consider the best time to buy that item. Good luck. 7. Max your wardrobe potential. The bed is not the only big-sized item in a bedroom. Don't you realize that the wardrobe is another area that takes up a lot of space? It's easy to spot a huge cupboard filled with piles of clothes. Unfortunately, some of you might not always wear all of those collections, or even more, some of them already don't fit your size and taste, and you end up never wearing them. So we suggest you declutter your wardrobe. Spare some time to eliminate all of these less liked and disliked items. You can donate them or throw them at a recycling site. The action will instantly downsize your wardrobe size, which means more free space will be available. 6. Maximize your clean floor area. A clean floor will help to create the illusion of a larger space. Therefore, it's better to use your walls instead of organizing your stuff by taking up your floor area. For example, building a wall shelving is an option to maximize your vertical area. There are various designs of shelving units that might inspire you. Whether it's a floating one or a ladder-like shelf, that's up to you. Ensure that the shelves are sturdy enough to carry your stuff. You can also place your things in containers that you can easily move. For example, you can use a cube shelf with several drawers. 5. Opt for white paint. A white color scheme will enhance your room space and brightness. Apply the color to your walls and ceilings. If you're an all-white addict, you can choose furniture or other stuff in typical white shades. However, if you starve for more varied color, you can apply it to your accessories and furniture. You can add some pastel colors or any pattern in a controlled way without detracting from the bright atmosphere of your room. If you can't go with white, the alternative color could be black or shades of gray depending on your preferences. A new color could be tangerine, blue, or mint green. You can create a feeling of freshness with these shades that look like spring or summertime. 4. A bed over storage idea. By applying this idea, you can have ample storage and sleeping space in one area. First, you need to place a vast storage system, a piece of big cupboard-like furniture, but make sure to pay attention to the height. Choose one which leaves much room between the top of the cupboard and the ceiling. Then you can place a single bed mattress on the top area of the storage furniture. To complete it, don't forget to add a shelving set that also performs as the stair to help you reach the sleeping area. Alternative improvements. 1. Attach a shelf to the wall. 2. Pipe tracks for drawers and shelves for function, security, and durability. 3. L-shaped brackets to connect the pipe track to the vertical post. And 4. Wood screws or masonry screws. You can use these screws to attach the pipe track to the vertical post and also attach brackets such as the L-shaped ones to connect the pipe track with the vertical post. 3. Install more windows. A small room needs to have adequate lighting. Since it's obviously going to make the room feel bigger, it's essential that you have a source of natural light. Thus, installing windows is the solution since it will allow the sunlight to enter your small room. Furthermore, having windows is also helpful to circulate the air, which will give you a more healthy environment. And if you have windows installed, you'll have a great view of your garden or the neighborhood. If another window is installed for an apartment in the city, the item can give you a clear view of your city. 2. Make use of every bedroom corner you have. Don't leave any single corner of your room unused. It might sound insignificant, but it works. Making use of every corner would surprisingly help you solve more problems. And for instance, you can have a reading zone in your small bedroom by hanging reading lights and installing a mini floating rack for your books above one of your bed corners. Or you can try other ideas. For example, build a built-in storage room. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, opt for Scandinavian style. The simplicity, color mixture, and texture combination in Scandinavian style are the keys to produce such a relaxing atmosphere. To begin with, you need to make it simple and minimalist. Since the space is limited, you need to remember that you shouldn't load too much stuff in your room, moreover the bulky ones. Simplicity is not only about size, but also design. Opt for clean, lined, and straightforward furniture without too much unnecessary ornament. Moreover, the Scandinavian bedroom looks great with off-white shades cued from nature. However, you can still work with textures and tones, such as gray, cream, ivory, and navy shades. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video if you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.